I'm Gray and I'm a 12-year-old balloon twister, and today I'm going to show you how to make a balloon dinosaur. For this, you're going to need one green balloon. So first pump it up to about there and then tie it. Oh, the thing fell off. Oh well, okay. So the first step is to take this and fold it over, just like that. Now where this, in this meat, you're gonna tie it right there. And now you're gonna take this and just put it through that little hole right there. Okay. Now we're gonna do a pinch twist right here. So, you do it like that, and then twist it. Oops. Sometimes it doesn't like you. It bites back. Alright, now you have the head of your dinosaur. Now, when you make the neck, you're going to want to measure your hand length, and where your pinky goes, you're going to twist it right there. Now we're going to do dog legs, which is simple. Just twist right here, fold it, and then this and this, just twist it like that. Now you have the front end of your dinosaur. Now to make this part, the body, you're going to do the same thing for the neck. You're going to hold it like that. Then you're going to twist it right here. Now you're going to do dog legs again. Okay, this, and we're going to put it under, and we're going to wrap it in the front legs. So just take it like that. Sometimes that comes undone, so that's okay. If the back legs come undone, you can just redo them like this. And it'll be all fine. And if your legs are going a little bit straight like that, that's okay because they're supposed to be like that. In the end, they'll be back to normal. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this, put it over the head. So it should be like this. Now you're gonna make four bubbles. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I have an English accent now. Okay. So now we're gonna wrap this into the back legs, the very last bubble. See how I told you the back legs, since this goes down also. So now this should be the tail, but if you think it's a little too long, you can cut it short. If you want it about there, you can just twist it, and you can either use scissors or whatever you want, but just pop it. Let go. That was loud. And then twist it. Or tie it. Oh. Well. This came undone, but that's okay, because when you mess up, you can start all over again, and it might be better the second time. She's angry today. That is the ugliest dinosaur I've ever seen in my life.
Hey, everyone makes mistakes, so if you need to, just start all over again, and it might be better.
And then twist it. And you know what? I don't like that. Okay, I came back, and I finally made my dinosaur better with an actual tail. So, and what you can also do is you can put art in it. So I made a little smile, two nostrils, an eye here and an eye here. And that is how you make a dinosaur balloon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember, when it comes to making balloons, the possibilities are boundless.